Hi folks, this is Lloyd Thompson with Bell Camper Sales of Arnoldville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. We have a new model this year, this 2019 SportTrek. It is a very small RV that only weighs 6,200 pounds. It's a 252 VRD, which means rear dinette. It's a very large dinette, as you'll see there as we look through this trailer. This has a sister, this RV. We sell a 290 VIK, and it's a lot like it, but for some folks that don't want to pull the more weight, you can buy this small version that has the opposing slides and give you a lot of room. Here we have the island. We have the slide in the kitchen. We have the large 8 gas electric refrigerator, the microwave, all one-piece countertops. We have lots and lots of storage in this RV. There's lots of drawers here. There are 4 drawers built into this island. It has a stove top and an oven. It even has a pan drawer. How many people want a pan drawer in their trailer and they have to throw their pots and pans in a cabinet? Also, this side of the booth, which is very large, opens up, and you have a nice plastic container that pulls out that you'll be able to store things in. The one-piece table has no edges now that can pop out because of water or wetness, of course. That makes a very large bed. You have lots of windows there. Over here you have a very spacious couch. This is a actually couch that makes a super bed. It's very wide. It's this wide. The large bed comes all the way out here. If you have another adult family traveling with you, they would be comfortable. Here we have the fireplace built in, the television, lots of storage above. Central heat and air. Over here's a lot more storage also. Let's look into the bedroom of this little 25-foot travel trailer. Excuse me. We have the scenes of the bedroom. If you'll notice, it's a queen bedroom in this 25-foot opposing slide rear dinette SportTrek travel trailer 2019. Over here you have a place behind for the storage areas for your cell phone or your breathing machine, plug-ins back there, your bottle of water, lots of storage. You have storage under the bed, of course, a couple windows in here, and what's really nice is you have a place to go enter into the bathroom from the bedroom and the hallway too. Let's look in there now. Very spacious in this 25-foot SportTrek. You'll notice that it has a step-in residential shower. It has lots of linen area. Has a nice built-in medicine cabinet and a nice lavatory there. It has a porcelain toilet, foot flush, and then it has the nice door that enters into the hallway and the bedroom. 2 doors. And looky here, you have a place to hang whatever you need to hang, your robes, the towel that's drying off. If you get a chance to come and see us at Bell Camper Sales of Arnoldville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. We've been here about 50 years. Family owned and family operated. Have our own RV park that we put you in overnight. And make sure you know what you're doing with your new travel trailer before you leave town. Make sure everything's all right. We're totally dedicated to take care of our customers. Come and see, I'm Lloyd or Craig or Smokey. Come and see us sometime and let us show you our RVs. Thank you, folks.